Interior of Andrew Tate's private jet.
Cigars and peanuts, somewhere you need. Perfect for a flight.
Can't go wrong.
Thank you.
This jet looks awesome. I can only wish that I will get to fly on a private jet one day. Andrew Tate and his cousin look like mob bosses the way they entered the private jet. I feel like once you go private jet you can't go back to commercial. I was quite surprised about the size of the jet. From the outside it looks massive, but once you get in it's very cozy. Don't forget to turn on post notifications for more daily dosage.